Welcome back to our new video guys. Today I'm going to tell you about how to off dial pad tones in geophone next guys. How can you off these dial pad tones in geophone next? So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video friends. First of all, what will you have to do friends? Open your setting friends. Then friends click on sounds. And guys, so after guys you can see this advanced option, so guys you will have to click. And guys you can see dial pad tones. So guys you want to off, then guys off. So guys now you can see there is no any sound guys. So I think guys you have understood how to off dial pad tones in geophone next. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. We will meet on next video within topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.